So the next stage of mitosis, the second stage of mitosis is the metaphase stage. So what does this word meta? This meta means between, and you all know that phase means stage. So this metaphase stage is known as a between stage. Why? Because in this the chromosomes align at the center of the cell, at the equatorial plane of the cell. So let us read the first point. How will you write in the examination? Chromosomes become shorter and thicker due to condensation. So the keyword is chromosomes become shorter and thicker. Means now chromosomes are going to get more condensed, due to which they are going to become short and more thick. Secondly, the chromosomes arrange themselves on the equatorial plane in such a way that their centromeres lie on the equator and arms face towards the poles. Means if this is a chromosome, the centromere portion of the chromosomes is going to be present at the equatorial line. Equatorial line means at the equator of the cell, and the chromatids will face towards the poles. So you can say that now the chromosomes have come to lie in a line, right? This is what the second point means, that the chromosomes arrange themselves on the equatorial plane. So the key word is equatorial plane, in such a way that their centromeres lie on the equator. You can see the centromeres lie on the equator and arms face towards the poles. Okay. The third point is the centromere of each chromosome is attached by a spindle fiber. As we have done in the prophase stage also, the centromere will be attached by a spindle fiber. So this is how the centromere will be attached by a spindle fiber, and the chromosomes will arrange themselves in the form of a line at the equatorial plane. So let us draw a diagram which is going to make this more clear. Please try to, as you see this, try to draw a diagram by yourself also. You will again make an animal cell and a plant cell, of course. Plant cell is going to have a cell wall. So you can mention again cell wall so that it is clear that we are talking about a plant cell. Next, you are going to make the chromosomes. You will show the centromere region first. For example, we have made 3 chromosomes. Now we will also continue with 3 chromosomes only. Centromere region. The centromere region of the chromosome should be at the equatorial plane, at the equator of the cell. Then you can draw the chromatids which are going to face the poles. Just draw this chromatid which is going to face the poles. Same way, draw it for a plant cell. Remember, in this stage, the metaphase stage, there are still 2 chromatids. Means if I am talking about 3 chromosomes, okay, let us do this also. If I am talking about chromosome number, the number of chromosomes is 3. But if you are asked in examination, what is the number of chromatids? So how many chromatids are there? There are 6 chromatids in each cell. Why? Because we have total of 3 chromosomes and these chromatids are not separate yet. They are present intact in a single chromosome. So total number of arms of chromosomes is equal to 6. Remember. So then we'll go with the third point. Centromere of each chromosome is attached by a spindle fiber. So we're going to show a spindle fiber here. See how this is attached. The centromere of each chromosome is attached to a spindle fiber. Same is the case with a plant cell. You will show a spindle fiber which is attaching with the chromosome from the centromere region. Next, what is missing? See, now you don't have to show any disintegrated nuclear membrane. You will not show any membrane now, but in case of an animal cell, you're going to show a structure at the poles Which is that structure? These are, remember, centrioles, which are radiating some ester rays. Okay, but in case of a plant cell, you cannot show these centrioles because they are absent in a plant cell. So let us recall what is a metaphase stage. Meta means between and a phase means a stage. What happens during metaphase stage? Chromosomes become shorter and thicker due to condensation. Now they are going to become more shorter and more thicker. The chromosomes arrange themselves on the equatorial plane, means at the equator, in such a way that their centromeres lie on the equator. That is why we made centromeres first. And arms face towards the pole, mean the chromatids face towards the poles. Centromere of each chromosome is attached by a spindle fiber. So these are the spindle fibers which are radiated by these ester rays and the centrioles in case of animal cells. These spindle fibers attach the chromosome at which region? At the centromere region. You can also remember labeling is must. So you have to label that this is what? This is a centriole. This is what? This is a spindle fiber. You can label this as also spindle fiber again. And what is the main point in this stage? That is, you write that the equator, at equator, this chromosomes have arranged at the equatorial plane. So you write chromosomes are arranged. Chromosomes are arranged at equatorial plane. Means now they are present at the equator of the cell. Same labeling for plant cell as well, right? And then you all know that you have to make diagrams that are must. Make very neat and clean diagrams along with the points that you will write in case of the second stage of mitosis, that is the metaphase stage. The key words are the chromosomes become shorter and thicker, they arrange themselves at the equatorial plane, and the centromere of each chromosome is attached by what? They are attached by spindle fibers.